Okay, now that we've picked our channel name, let's go see what our channel looks like. So we'll click here under, right here, you go down to your channel. So here is what my channel sort of looks like. So what we want to do is we want to add a header banner up here. Here it says upload a video to get started. Well, we're not ready for that. We're still setting up our channel. So we're going to go into our YouTube studio. Now here it says hello new YouTube studio, goodbye classic studio. So we'll click there, learn more. So I'm going to close that out because you can do that on your own, but basically what that is there used to be a YouTube studio and they've changed it to a new studio. So you don't even have to worry about the old YouTube studio. This YouTube studio is where you do all your work, where you can look at all your videos, you can edit your videos. It's where there's analytics on your videos. It's where you can check for comments. You can add music to your videos. There's an audio library, all that stuff. Actually, it's right down here on the left. So this is what your YouTube studio is. Over here, it'll tell you how many subscribers you have. It'll tell you all kinds of information. And one thing I always say is just take your time, look around here. I'm going to do different videos to show you what everything is, but take your time, poke around, click on things. Don't worry, you can't break anything, okay? Down here is your audio library. This is monetization. So once you hit 1,000 subscribers and have 4,000 watch time hours, you'll click here. You can click there anytime, but obviously I'm not eligible for monetization yet. This is a brand new channel. But say I had 10 subscribers and 20 watch time hours, it'll show 2 meters here, one for subscribers, one for watch time hours. I'll show you more on that in other videos. But I want you to do right now here is go to settings. And this is where we're going to set up a few things first. So here's your general. So when your channel is monetized, you can choose what currency you want to be paid in. So I'm going to choose Canadian because I'm from Canada. And then we'll go down here and we'll click on channel. Now this is your basic info. So here you can add keywords, what your channel is about. So I'm just going to add a few things here really quick. So I'm going to, this channel is about YouTube help. And you put a comma. YouTube tutorials. How to YouTube. These are all keywords that describe my channel. Now you want to keep this very relevant to what your videos are about. Now if you start doing videos, let's say 6 months from now you start doing videos that are different than what you've been doing, come down here and add what it's about. So this will be about video editing. And I'm sure you get the gist of what's going on here. So you just add keywords that are relevant to what your video's about. Try not to add any keywords that aren't relevant to anything you're doing because it'll only hurt your channel. I'm going to select my country. I'll scroll down here to Canada. And customize channel. We'll do that after. Advanced settings. Okay, so you should read through all this and do what it says. So right here, I know what this is. This is about, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? No, my channel is not made for kids. So yes, set this channel for kids. I always upload content that's made for kids. Or you can choose no, set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that's made for kids. Or you also have the option, I want to review this setting for every video. Well, you can change this anytime, but right now I'm just going to choose no, it's not made for kids. and Google Ads account linking. Don't worry about this right now. And subscriber count. Display the number of people subscribed to my channel. I'm going to keep mine checked. Some people don't like to show their subscriber account. I like to. I like to be honest with people, how many subscribers I have. And some people look for that, right? So I don't mind them seeing that. So we're at the bottom, we'll click save. And actually I probably should have just went back to, we'll go back to settings, sorry, because that kicked me out of there. So here we checked out advanced settings, right? That'd be the same thing. So branding. This is where you can add like a YouTube button or a picture of you or your logo. And say you make an image, you can add that here. I will be doing a video on that in the future on how you can do all this so that when people come to you or they're watching your video, this will pop up after some time. They'll hover over that and it'll say subscribe. They can subscribe to your account. So feature eligibility, we'll be looking at that again in another section. So we'll close this. It's saved. So we'll close this. Oh no, we're going to go to upload defaults. So this is when you're creating a video. You'll leave this blank because not every video is going to be titled the same. Descriptions. You leave this blank for now because every video description is going to be different, right? There's going to be certain elements of your description that will be the same. And I'll do a video on that again at a later date that will show you how to just put something in there, like say maybe you're going to put in this video, join me on my Facebook page, join me on my Instagram page with the links. So instead of typing that in every video description, you can have it set up here, and when you go and create a new video, it'll be there already, and you can just work around it. Same with this, visibility, public, private, unlisted, you can just leave that, and all your keywords, your tags. Permissions for YouTube. You're currently managing channel permissions through a brand account. So this is where I can set up like my wife on her account to manage my YouTube on my behalf. Say I get locked out for some crazy reason, which will never happen, but if I did, my wife can has access to this account. I may even have another Gmail account or a Google account where I can access it on my own. Community. This is where you can add moderators. I'm not 100% sure how to use that, but I will learn and do a video on it. You can block certain words, like people leaving your comments. You can block people here, different YouTubers. If they're harassing you or something, you can put their link in there and block them. Same with this. And then your agreements, it's all good. Close that out. Okay, we're done here. So I think that gives you a brief description on what's going on around here. Now let's go have some real fun and add a banner and get verified. So we'll click here and we'll go to our channel again. So click here on customize channel. Now this is where you can add your channel banner. They call it channel art. So you can click here and you can upload a image of your own, and I'll show you actually even how to make those channel art images for yourself. So you can upload your photos. You say you have an image downloaded to your computer, saved on your computer. You can upload that here. You just click here. We're going to go, for now, for quickness, we're going to go to the gallery here, and they have some default images you can choose from. This one, I guess. We'll just choose this one. We're going to adjust the crop and see how it only shows parts of the building. So we'll go right to there like this, I guess. And we'll just click, device preview. So there you can kind of see what it looks like on a desktop, a TV, and your phone. And we're going to click select. So that just gives you a quick example of what you can do just to show you how you can add channel art here. So now here, instead of having the Y is the Y for you can tube. I'm just going to add my picture for now. And here's where it goes. It takes you to your Google account, and you can upload a photo right from your desktop or your laptop or your phone. Click on that, click on open. Oh, it may take some time for changes to appear everywhere. Okay, I got that. So we'll close that out, and we'll go here, and you can go up the top and there's a refresh button. If you don't know, just click on F5 on your keyboard and it'll refresh. F5. There we go, my picture's up. Got this picture up. You can click here where it says view as yourself or view as a new visitor. So when someone comes to your channel, this is what it's going to look like. This right here. They'll be able to hit subscribe and all that sort of thing. And on your channel here, you'll see all these different tabs. This is where your videos will be. This is where playlists will be. You'll want to create playlists for your different topics of your videos. I'll do a video on that shortly to show you how to do that. Channels, this is where you can share your friends' channels or channels you like to share. And this is your about page right here. This is where you want to tell people about your channel. You want to tell your viewers what your channel is about. So we'll go back here and click on your channel, and we'll go back to customize channel. So right away, we'll go over here to the about page and go right here to description. Click on your description. What is your channel about? Now this is where you want to tell people who you are and a quick few lines, sentences, or a paragraph what your channel is about. Now I've already typed one out, and I'm going to just copy it and put it in there. I put this in a notepad. I'll just copy it all. Copy. And we'll paste that in there, which is Control V on your keyboard. You click on Control and you click on V. So what I did is I created this channel in hopes of helping people that want to create their own YouTube channel. And I just go on to say what they're going to be able to expect, what kind of videos. I'm going to be doing videos how to set up a YouTube channel like you're on right now, how to do video thumbnails, how to create images for your videos, how to do search engine optimization, which is choosing keywords for your YouTube channel, for your videos, and for titles. Even I'm going to show you how to promote your videos and your channel on social media sites, as well as promoting offline, such as putting like a sticker on your vehicle or whatever. Cameras I use, tools I use like tripods, microphones to make screen capture videos like this, video editing software. I'm even going to do videos on how to use your computer, your laptop, and in the future, phones. How you can make videos from phones. I've never done it yet, but I want to learn how to do it. So we're going to, for business inquiries. So here, if you want to add your email address so that people can get a hold of you, you can do that. So you just add it in here, and I believe it is hidden. So that'll be fine. Location Canada, links. This is where you can add custom links. So to like your social media, here I could put like my Facebook page or my Facebook account, and I can add the link to get there. Instagram, and then I can put my Instagram link, Twitter, that sort of thing. You can do all that here. I'll click done, and I'll just save my video description. So one more thing before we leave, let's click on this gear here, the settings. Now this is your channel settings. you can click on this if you want to keep all your subscriptions private. So nobody knows what channels you're subscribed to. You can turn it off. You can turn it on with this toggle. I want to keep all my subscriptions private. Keep all my saved playlists private. Yes, I'm going to keep that private. Customize the layout of your channel. Recommend it for people who upload videos regularly. Add a channel trailer. Suggest content for your subscribers and organize all your videos and playlists into sections. Yes, you want to do that. I'm going to be adding a trailer to this channel as well, so I'll click on yes. I'm just going to click on save now and get out of this. So basically, that's a very basic introduction on how to set up your YouTube account. Like I said, we did some of the settings. We added some channel art. We added a picture. We also added a channel description. I think I might have already said that. And you can add all your other things like social media, site links right here. You can add your email address, what country you're from. You can even add other channels. Say you have another channel or a couple channels, you can add your channels here to promote them right here. And it'll show up here on the right hand side of your YouTube channel. So with that, I hope this helps. It's very basic on how to do all this. I'm going to, like I told you in the video, I'm going to show you how to do certain things like make channel art that you like or get channel art made. All sorts of things. And that will help you improve your YouTube channel and your YouTube experience. So I hope you enjoyed this YouTube tutorial. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and leave a like on this video and leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'll try my hardest to answer them. And with that, have a good day and we'll see you on the next video.